I lost $10,000 just because of this lesson which I'm about to tell you in this video. Okay, first let me give you the background. I was working as a freelancer on Upwork or other platforms. I was getting a project from there. So the project was pretty much okay. It was small projects. Okay, sometimes you have to build a database, sometimes you have to build a WordPress website for the client, or either a little bit small customization in the website. So the point was, at that time everything was going very well, and for me these projects were very good because I can pay my university fees, I can pay my other expenses. But the time comes when you have to do for the big fishes. You have to earn a big, because you can't, for your whole life, you can't just live your life from the small money. You have to grow. So for that reason, I was looking for a big projects. So the big projects was SaaS products. So in SaaS products, what you need to do is you have to have a conversation with the client. Okay, this is what I need to do, or this is the requirement, and this is what we are going to do. But in my case, the problem was I wasn't aware of these things, because for me it was like a small project and then go sit and develop the thing and then give it to the client. What I was doing at that time, which was my mistake, biggest mistake, is that I took the project from the client and then I started coding it without making a flow, without setting a requirement, and without making a requirement document, without following a process, which led me a lot of lose of money, lose of time, lose of project, lose of everything. I wasted a lot of time on it. The lesson is that never ever start a project if it's big without having conversation with the client. So what you need to do is, like, you got a project from the client, sit with him first. Okay, we are going to develop this stuff. This is the vision and this is the business model. Now, the next step is to write all the requirement in the document form, because if you don't have a document, tomorrow the client can say, okay, you have to change this, and then you will be saying, we can't because we didn't write it in the document. You will be having a proof of everything. You will be having everything written, so that when client is going to tell you something else, okay, we need to change this, you can tell him, pay me money. Because if you are not writing a document, client will tell you again and again and give you revision again and again, which will make a lot of problems for you. So what you need to do is to write everything in a documented form. So now you have a document. Then what you need to do is to make a flow, because you are a developer, you know how this project is going to work. If you are doing this thing for small projects, it's going to be very amazing. So you need to do is make a flow. There's a lot of software available for it, like Miro.com, which I'm using properly. This is not a video for the Miro, but the thing is, I'm using Miro somehow. Miro.com. So it's very simple, straightforward software. You can write a flow. Okay, this is first we need to develop login, sign up, and then this will be the first page, second page, fourth page, and okay, this is the backend code, this will be the backend flow, this will be the database, and everything. And after you have a flow, then go for the designing. So flow, and you will have a design of your flow, UI, UX, and then after that, in the meantime, you can start development, or either you can start development after having design complete. So then it will make you error free, it will make your project very smooth, and it will flow like amazing, and you can earn a lot from this flow. The thing is, I wish I could have somebody who could have teach me this, the project management, but it was my mistake as well. But I didn't go through these things. But now you have the time. You can definitely first, in the meantime, you are working on your stuff. In the meantime, look for the process, how everything is working, how from A to Z you can build a software, or from A to Z you can build a project and deliver it. Thank you. And for more lessons like this, hit like, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.